Hello, guys. People always ask me in these last weeks, why do we scalp instead of holding long future positions? Why do we focus on the same few coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the majors? So, where there are hundreds out there? Well, it is simple. Let me explain you. The market we're in right now, it isn't stable. Liquidity moves in waves. One day it's on Bitcoin, the next it's on Solana, and the next it's gone completely. So if you are waiting for long-term trend, you will spend weeks stuck in sideways noise. But when you scalp, you move with the market, not against it. So you ride the waves the whales create instead of trying to predict the ocean. So that's why we stick to 5 or 6 Bitcoins. They are the ones where liquidity actually flows. They react clean with volume that matters. So you can manage the risk, set tight stop losses, and get in and out fast without slippage. In a choppy market, control is everything. And these coins give you that control. But the truth is, trading isn't just charts and indicators. No, anyone can draw lines. Crypto is beyond that. Crypto is psychology. It's about understanding why people buy and why they panic. Most traders lose not because they don't see the patterns, but because they can't control themselves. Fear and greed. That's the real chart you should learn to read. Because the chart shows what already happened. The market makers, the whales, the insiders, they move before the candles form. So if you only see colors on a screen, you're late. You need to feel the rhythm of the market, to sense when momentum shifts, to recognize manipulation before it plays out. That's how real traders survive. Now, look at the results. These last few days, we played short-term setups on ETH, Solana, and Bitcoin. Nothing fancy, just clean scalps. All targets hit. Small, consistent moves, stacking gains, protecting capital. And that's the power of discipline in this kind of market. So let me show you. Let's see yesterday, for example, this scalps I showed in this morning, but it didn't play out, no losses. I told them to cancel the trade. Let's see yesterday. First of all, we have here Solana. So as you see here, 3 targets, hit all targets done successfully. So let's see. The entry was 996, 197, and the target was 194, 193, 192 plus. So 3 targets smashed. Great. This is the summaries. I will come back later and show you how much we earned. So the other one is another Solana scalp. Here you go. 3 targets well done. So 180, 178 entry. And targets 183, 185, 188 plus. And the other one was Floki. Same thing. 3 targets done. So entry 0.074, 0.073 until the last target 0.077 plus. All of them in 10 minutes here, as you see. This one is Ethereum. Ethereum also hit the targets in 10 minutes. 3. Let's see the call. The call was here. 3870, 3850. Final target 3950 plus. All of them. And it took only 10 minutes to hit all these targets. Those targets. So those 3 from yesterday. Here, for example, in this one, in 1000 Floki. Normally, or usually, I deploy 5k in a call. I play big. Sometimes I play even more when the market condition is far better than today. So, but now I deploy like 5,000 to 7,000 in a call when I'm 90% sure of the call. So I got out with 5,000. So from one call, from Floki, I got the portfolio from 5,000 to $10,000. My followers, when they deploy $100, they got $108, $200, $216, $500, $514. Well, that's one call. Let's see the second one. it was Solana. Same thing. I deployed 5,000. I got out with $5,600. So again, I raised my portfolio. $100, 112, 200, 224, 500, 560. And the other one was, here we go. This is the final result. So my total profit, net profit, was $13,330. Final balance, 28,000. And the portfolio growth was 88% in a day. That's good. That's great. For me, it's okay. I'm happy about it. Just using the leverage of 20x. I didn't use 50x or 70x because the market's condition now. I don't see it correct. When the market is good, then I deploy more like 70x or 80x or 100x even sometimes. So that's the result of 3 calls yesterday. They were scalping, and we were playing in the safe zone. So the important for me is to protect your capital, not to be greedy and lose it all. We are not here to lose money. As you know, this crypto market is not made for you to make money. It's made to take money from you. And we are inside that circle. So you gotta remember, you are here to steal that money and get out without nobody notice. Do you understand what I mean? So after that, we shifted into meme coins, a high volatility place. Yes, short bursts. Same principle. Discipline first and emotion last. In meme coins, you don't need to win every trade. You need to understand every trade. You know what I mean? So I will show you the meme coin group and show you some of the calls. Before that, let's see live what is happening here. Let's see. This is our last calls. Like for example, 3x here, 2x. I don't talk normally about coins if they don't do more than 5x. I only show the ones that they do more than 5x. For example, this one 7x, 13x. Here you go. This is the same one we saw down, and 2x. Anyway, there is a lot, but I will show you the results of yesterday. We start from this one. This one did 136. We give it to our community in 15k. So imagine 15k. You don't need to do the 136. You are good to go with 30x. If you enter with 1 Solana, for example, and you may get 30 Solana, you're doing fine. You're doing great. Next is the same one. Next one 6x and another one 7x, 17x, 7x, and 9x, 7x, 7x, 36, and 10, 12, 8, 6, 16, 5, 10, 5, 9, 8, 6, 5, 5, 13, 5, 8, 8, 8, 6, 65, 20, 23, 5, 8, 7, 17, 7, 5, 8, 20, 6, 5, 5, 15, 16, 5, 9, 29, 49, 26, 15, 7, 98, 81, 14, 5, and so on. I cannot go. It's too much. These for 2 days, I think. So 2 days. And there is more. There's more. I cannot. Well, you have the group, you have the link. You can click and you can see by yourself the results. So when we get the money from the future calls, we deploy some of them to the meme coins because, as you know, meme coins can give you great gains if you do it right and if you are lucky, of course. So what I want to tell you with this, you don't need to win every trade. You need to understand every trade. And when people in YouTube talking about prediction of the market, remember one thing: no one predicts. We don't predict. I never predict. We adapt. The market isn't chaos. It's psychology painted in price. So once you understand that, you stop chasing luck and start playing the true. So see you in the next video. Thank you.